Hi students, welcome to Fall 2020 HIT 205. It has been a crazy summer and I hope you're all ready to buckle down and enjoy some advanced coding. So a little bit about me, my name is Michelle Grant and I have been teaching online for 20 plus years, and I have taught hybrid, I've taught in the classroom, and I've taught online. So a wide array of teaching. So a couple of different things is let's a little bit my background on why I'm qualified to teach this course. I was a physician coder for a multi-specialty clinic. I did CPT coding, auditing. I coded for many different specialties. So actually 30 back years ago, I was the first coder. So being said that, that means I started off each department. So internal medicine, and keep in mind, these places didn't want a coder, but it got crazy once they got a coder. They're like, oh, the doctors, the nurses, they didn't have to do the coding. I did the coding. So all of a sudden, then cardiovascular wanted a coder, orthopedics wanted a coder. So my day spent walking to different areas and coding their op reports or coding their E&Ms for them. A lot has changed with the E&M, and there's going to be some major changes coming in January with the E&Ms also, but we won't worry about those this semester. So also in my coding, teaching, I wanted to have different experience. So I went ahead and a couple of summers, I coded for a couple of different hospitals, and what a great experience. This opened up just a whole different avenue. Just as you know, physician coding versus hospital coding are just so different. So it's been a great ride, and now I feel that I can bring my experience and expertise to the classroom. So a couple of different things. What's all going to happen in this course? We are going to address more complex issues with ICD-10, CPT coding. Your class assignments will focus on the review of case study medical records. This is going to be at a higher level than what you're used to. So keep in mind that the emphasis is going to be, we're going to be using encoders. So we'll be looking at DRG groupers, the MS DRG software. We'll be looking at APCs. So we have a lot going on. A couple of different things with, keep in mind, make sure you contact me if you have any questions. I'm always open to questions, and this is a learning experience not only for you but for me too. So what about me? I am an advocate for education. You're never too old or too young to continue education. My educational background is that I have a bachelor's from University of Cincinnati in Health Information Administration, and I am a certified ICD-10 trainer. So I'm excited to bring all this knowledge to you and have also you bring knowledge to me. So let's have a great fall semester, and contact me with any concerns, and we will see you real soon.